to a brand new video. Today's video is gonna be a gingerbread makeup look. My like neck, like this top is being so weird, but let's just get into the video. The makeup products that I'm using is of course Too Faced, because they are known for their Christmas range to be gingerbread. So I've got my gingerbread palette, and then I've got the gingerbread lipstick, and then the rest of the stuff are just stuff that I use on a daily basis. And of course I'm going to use this pencil to draw the gingerbread on my cheek, on one of my cheeks. I'm not going to do both because that would just look silly, I think, but let's get into it. I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. It's going to be just a subtle brown because gingerbread men are brown. So I'm going to use brown, of course. I'm going to use this brush, and the colour that I'm going for first is this one right here. Do a bit of shimmer just because we all know I love my shimmer. I don't know why this hair is like so vibrant today, like all my yellows at the front. But let's get to the eyeshadow. Because you were mine. This is pretty much my normal makeup look, my naturalness of how natural I can get. But now we're going to put my gingerbread on my cheek and it will no longer look natural. It will look insane. Hopefully we can do better than that Santa hat though. But you guys are loving that video as well. The first thing I'm going to do is just draw out an outline, and I'm going to do time lapse. This is the gingerbread man. I don't need to do the candy cane, but I'm going to use the James Charles makeup palette. This is a good palette to do like the buttons and like the gingerbread. So let's get back to the time lapse. This is the gingerbread man. I think this is the worst one I've ever done. I've never done a gingerbread man on my face before, so this has got to do. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick and then I'll show you the final look. This is the final makeup look. Like I said, it's not the best I've done. I think the eyeshadows good, but the lipstick doesn't really go with my skin. I do like the lipstick, but depending on the makeup you do on your eyeshadow, it really depends how it's gonna look. But I don't think it goes. I like the eyeshadow, don't know about this, but let me know in the comments, and let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like if you did like it, and comment down below anything you want. I reply to all my comments, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and become a member of my channel. Well, not a member, but like the crazy channel that I just do weird makeup looks like this. Think this has become what I do now. Don't know what I will do in the new year. And fashion content, of course. So if you like them two things and lifestyle, hit subscribe and join the channel. Bye.